One of CarFest's cornerstones is education. We believe that educating the next generation about basic vehicle maintenance, in addition to proper driving, gives new drivers the knowledge they need to be safer and self-sufficient on the road. While many drivers' education programs do an excellent job teaching proper vehicle operation, many new drivers aren't exposed to basic vehicle maintenance or career opportunities in the automotive industry. In a 2016 survey of 2,000 car owners, only 42.2% felt completely confident in their ability to change a tire, and only 26% stated they were completely confident in their ability to change their oil. While the younger generation is more than capable of using the technology at their fingertips to teach themselves how to do it, the hands-on experience gives young drivers more confidence behind the wheel. CarFest is excited to introduce the new driver workshop this year. New drivers age 15 through 17 in 2019 will get hands-on experience performing basic car maintenance, learning general parts of a car, and safe driving tips. Plus, all workshop participants will have the chance to test their knowledge by competing in our new Driver Jeopardy game show and win some really cool prizes. Every new workshop participant will have their name entered for a chance to win a free car. This program is not just an opportunity to teach young people the basics of driving and car ownership, it's also a chance to inform future job seekers of employment opportunities in automotive trades. For more information about how you can get involved or to sign up your new driver, visit carfestsa.org.